Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, this is your girl Amber, and welcome. I am on a road to 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and yes, let's move right into the video. So today's video, I'm going to be giving my honest opinion about this hair that I purchased off of Amazon. The company is called Hermosa Hair Store on Amazon. I purchased this hair back in June 12th to be exact. So I've been rocking this hair for about a month and a half. And so far, so good. But I do have some pros and cons that I need to get to it. Alright, so let's get into the details about the hair. So this hair is Hermosa HD Transparent Glueless Wig Human Hair, and it's pre-plucked. Okay, this is I believe this is Waterwave, and this is 22 inches long, baby. I like it long and I like it strong. But it's 22 inches long, which I really like. Altogether, I paid $100 for it. Now, as I'm looking on the website right now, today is August 3rd. As of right now, the hair is on sale for $79 for this 22 inch. So if you looking for a water wave, a quick water wave hair, I suggest you go on Amazon quick, fast, in a hurry to get this deal. Also, I have Prime, and this hair actually came in 1 day instead of 2 days, because you know, if you have Amazon Prime, your stuff comes in 2 days, but this hair actually came in 1 day. It actually came in the next day, which was cool with me, because I was like, I wanted to switch up my hair from the bang and do curly hair for the summertime, because you know, the girls like the curls. What's the summer without having curly hair? That's the best time to have curly hair. So this is a glueless wig, so I do have adjustable straps on the side where I can tighten it as much as I want to, or loosen it up as much as I want to, which I really like that. The first time I rocked this wig, I did wear it glueless. I did not glue it down. But then once I started rocking it every single day, I decided to, you know, glue it down with my Bold Hold and the E-Bend spray. I'll tell you about the pros and cons about this hair. The pros are that I love the length of this hair. It's just so pretty and beautiful and stuff like that. It's really easy to maintain, honestly. It's really a grab and go wig, because all I just do is put this sucker on, glue it down, and I'm out the door. Like, it's so convenient, very convenient. As a person who work a regular 9-to-5 job, honey, I need something that's quick and convenient, who also has a 2-year-old son. And baby, I can't spend all day on my hair. I cannot. I'm sorry, I cannot. But I really like how convenient this hair is. The one con that I have to say is that you have to keep this hair moisturized. Honestly, you get what you pay for, because I had some curly hair that was like more expensive than this hair, and the curly hair was really good hair. And you know how the hair is really good when it don't get tangled in the nape area. So with this hair, I do find that in the nape area it does get tangly and super dry. So make sure you keep this hair moisturized. Now for me, it could be my fault, because honestly, I don't spray it down with conditioner water and mousse every single day, because like I said, I really don't have time to do all that. That could be a reason why my hair gets dry really fast and gets tangled in the back. But if you have time to do all that, girl, go ahead, because the hair looks so pretty once it's air dried. I'm gonna try to show you a video of it. It looks so pretty once you air dry it. Yeah, as to shampooing the hair and conditioning the hair, I use the 2 products that I got from Target called Function. Yeah, Function brand, the Function brand conditioner and shampoo. I use that on the hair, let the hair air dry, and boom, that's it. So this is gonna be a short, straight to the point review on this hair. If you would like me to review more wigs that I had purchased off of Amazon, I can do that for you. Like that bang wig, baby. When I say I ordered that wig 4 times, I ordered that wig 4 times. So I can do a review on that hair because I love that wig, I love that style, and I love everything about that. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. At the end of the day, like I said, you get what you pay for. So if you need something quick, fast, and in a hurry for like a birthday, type of event, or for a trip, I say this wig will be perfect for you because you would definitely save a lot of money. It's very affordable, very, very affordable. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta go, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.